Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the touch sampling rate test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, on the August 13th, the software update has been come to the OnePlus Nord 2, and after that I'm getting plenty of comments on the touch sampling rate. Whether the touch sampling rate got increased in this phone or not, let's see in our testing we'll get to know what are the results. So one thing is that the OnePlus Nord 2 has got 180 Hz touch sampling rate, but by default the UI is restricted to use at 120 Hz. Even we got the confirmation from the OnePlus team as well. Even they did mention by default it's fixed only at 120 Hz. So that's what a lot of users are actually having some kind of doubts whether the problem got fixed or not. Right now I'm trying to use same application which I used before and adding into the game space as well just to check whether it will boost or not, but still I'm getting same kind of results. Same 120 Hz number, as you can see, 210 minus 90 Hz refresh rate, 120 Hz touch sampling rate. So nothing much has changed even after the recent update. Even I did try to change a couple of settings as well, touch sensitivity, increasing and decreasing, nothing. So it did not work at all. So the touch sampling rate in this phone did not increase at all. It's remaining exactly 120 Hz only. That's a kind of sad part because OnePlus Nord CE has got the by default 180 Hz touch sampling rate. Yes, by default. I did use the phone and I did upload a couple of videos as well. You can take a look at those videos. Same application I tested in the phone and but different results. I'm not sure why this UI is restricted in terms of not having higher touch sampling rate. Maybe because of the OxygenOS and the ColorOS mixing in this phone, that is the reason. Because I did not face in any OnePlus phone. No, even I do have the OnePlus 8T, 240 Hz touch sampling rate, working fantastic using same application. OnePlus Nord CE, same application, same test, 180 Hz touch sampling rate, no issues. As soon as the OnePlus introduced Oxygen UI and the Color UI, then the problem got started. Same problem with the Realme X1 Max as well. The default touch sampling rate is limited in the Realme X1 Max. So maybe this might be the UI issues as well. So let's see when they'll fix this kind of UI problem. I'm not sure whether it will be fixed or not, because till now the Realme phones did not fix their issues. No, in terms of the touch sampling rate. It's happening from very long time. Realme X1 Pro also, Realme X1 Max also, but still they did not anything update at all on in terms of the touch sampling rate. So that's it friends, I'm not sure whether this will be fixed any soon, but still if the OnePlus decide to take some step and update this issue as soon as possible, then that will be really good on this OnePlus team. So this is what I'm expecting friends. Slightly I'm having hopes on these OnePlus phones at this point. Let's see whether they'll be able to fix or not. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.